Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the talk today. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Thai stocks. Okay, how the Thai stock is doing right now. Is it going to crash? Is it still have a chance to go up? Okay, so please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that we can keep this video going. All right, so let's talk about what is the stocks. Okay, what are some of the stocks that previously we watched, right? Okay, so I think some of you, if you are following this channel, if you're following our videos, okay, you already know that we have a screener that can screen the SET stocks, okay, the SET stocks. So the SET stocks, and in this screener, right, usually we will rank it up. Okay, what is the most popular stocks? Okay, so you can see that the banks, the telecom, the steels, BTS, all these, they are the popular names. Okay, they're popular names. But there are some stocks that are popular and they are running up like crazy. Okay, so these are the popular stocks that runs up like crazy. So some of these stocks, right, you might want to kind of like put it in your watch list. Okay, put in your watch list, and you can see that overall, what's happening right now over the past 2 weeks, over the past 3 weeks. You can see that this is a K Bank, this is Bangkok Bank, and some of them Siam SCB. Okay, they are one of the strongest sectors. Okay, so if you have followed our previous talk, we actually talk about this stock advance. We actually talk about the bank sectors and some other stocks like Gulf. Okay, previously we also talked about the oil and gas stocks. Okay, so have y'all like kind of like remember? Do y'all remember? If you remember, in the comment just type I remember. Okay, in the comment just type okay, yes, okay, you mentioned before. All right, so let's make this channel more engaging, because YouTube, right, has an algorithm. The more people make comment, the more people like the video, they will share it with more people like you. Okay, people like you. So the purpose of having this video is also to reach out to more of the Thai people and get them to understand our strategies, our systems, so that they have like they have another choice, okay, to select stocks, right? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on into the overall market, what's happening. Okay, so usually, right, what I do is I will screen based on the first of all, the popular names, and in these popular names I try to get my understanding. So you can see among the popular names, the telecommunications, like like this one is a DTAC, Advance, and this itel. They are all the telecommunication, right? Okay, and you can see that oil and gas like PTT. Okay, PTT Exploration, these are the strong and big companies. Okay, these are like 500 over billion Thai baht companies. And you can see that some of these electronics equipment parts. Okay, so some of these, okay, they are the very popular, but this is only one day, so this is not a very good indication. But you can also put it in your watch list, because usually, right, this kind of stocks, they might go up in the next few months. Okay, so take note of this name, put it in your watch list. Okay, because this could be the stock that might go up for the next few months. Okay, why? Okay, let me tell you why. Number one is this, the first wave. The first wave. So usually, right, stocks comes with this first wave. Okay, it's usually there is some good news. Okay, that means there's some like new product, there's some good news, there's new project, there's new contract, there's something new that has been announced before, and people has made money, people have invested, people have agreed that this is a good thing. So that is the first wave. Okay, so usually these are very new stocks. Okay, very new stocks that new as in they haven't been moving, and then they start moving. Okay, and this second wave, okay, this second wave is usually, right, going to be a good one. Okay, so let's put this in the watch list, okay, and see how it goes. Okay, so of course it's not easy to buy in right away, but okay, but just put it in the watch list, right? Okay, so again, banks, again, financials. Okay, so this one is a good stocks. You can see that we draw here, 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 and here. Why? Because these are the stair step pattern. So stair step pattern is like staircase, like this, like this, like this. So these are very good. We call it a very organized kind of chart. So most likely, right now they are starting the second wave. Okay, the second wave. So this is a resting point, and this is the start of the second wave. Okay, start of the second wave. So this is a good new company, new IPO, and there is a lot of potential usually for newer companies because everybody is making money. Okay, so you can see overall the financial, the banks, okay, telecommunication is the strongest. So the question here is, okay, the question here is, do you have bank and telecommunication? Do you have, you know, like this? Okay, do you follow the stock call we talked about last previous video? We talked about advance. Okay, we say that this stock you want to put in your watch list, it has not moved yet, right? Okay, so now it is on the move. Okay, so another way to look at the market is look at the SMI. So SMI, right, is the where the big players are in. Okay, so the most 100% all these they are like, they are like maximum already. That means in the short term they are in a very overbought position. Okay, but it's good to know that there is a strong interest. Big players are going into these stocks. Just that it's not the best time to buy. In fact, it's a good time to kind of like take some profit, or be careful, move your stop loss higher. Okay, so BTS, United Power, Pro, and this Jasmine, okay, Jasmine Broadband Internet. Okay, so these are like almost the maximum, 100%. So when it is 100%, when it's maximum, it is, a profit taking zone. Okay, profit taking zone. So almost time to take some profit. Okay, of course, sometimes after you take profit, the stock might still go up. So what we do here is we will sell partial, we sell 70%, 50%, and so on. Okay, so yes, and the rest, okay, the rest you don't see a lot of smart money. Okay, there's some smart money, but it's not at 100%, which tells us that overall market is very healthy. Okay, very healthy. It's not like a very crazy moment. Okay, but at sometimes these are like crazy big candles, which usually is telling us that this is late stage of the rally. This is the early stage of the rally. This is the early stage of the rally. This is the late stage of rally. So when you see big candle like this, it is not good for you to like start a long-term investment. Okay, so now it's more of a short-term. You have to kind of like take profit when you see big and positive candle. Okay, so what have you learned right now? Okay, so you want to learn that when stocks give you big and positive candle, it's good to take profit. Okay, we call it sell into strength. Okay, sell into strength. So this is something that you want to learn, in today's video. Okay, so let's move on to uh, some other stocks. Okay, so when you look at the stocks, right, of course you can see that there's a lot of stocks with smart money. What does it mean? Okay, so when you see a lot of stock with smart money, right, it means that the market is very strong. There is a lot of good setups. This is a good setup. This is a good setup. That means, okay, next week you want to look at this stock, okay, LH, because it is at the consolidation, and usually after a while it breaks up or it breaks down. Okay, so this is the one of the stocks to watch. Okay, and you can see that there's some other stocks that is on the move. Okay, like this. Okay, so TH, TCAP. Okay, so let me just write down for you. Okay, so let me just quickly just give you an idea. Okay, give you an idea, like stocks to watch. Okay, okay, one is moving, one is okay, not yet move. Okay, not yet move, you have a better chance, right? Moving, you just watch first. Okay, so let me just okay, put it this way. So stock to watch, right? Not yet move and moving. Okay, so this is important, right? This is important because yeah, this is important because you want to like okay, you want to know that what stock you still can buy and set stop loss. It's a low risk, okay, uh, low risk stocks. Okay, so we want to see stocks that is like this, okay, like this, up, then sideways, not yet move. Moving is like this, okay, is already moving. Okay, so just now we talked about TH, right? Is it TH? No, it's a LH TCAP. Okay, LH and TCAP. Okay, so one stock is LH, one stock is TCAP. Okay, so this is a next one is a LH. Okay, LH, right? And TCAP. And these stocks, they are all uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So this is like not yet move. Okay, not yet move. So what I do here is this. Okay, what I do here is this. I will usually go through like many stocks. Okay, many stocks. Like all these, they are moving. Okay, so all these like DTech, they are moving. So you can, if you want to write down, you can write down like DTech. Okay, this is like okay, like PTT is not yet move in consolidation. This one is consolidation, not yet move. THG, okay, THG is moving. Okay, so this is the homework you want to be doing. Okay, so to Gulf, right, actually is not yet move. Okay, Gulf. Okay, so we will go through as many stocks as fast as possible. So this is GC. Okay, it's not yet move. Okay, why? Because you can see that it is still here. Okay, just started to kind of like move. Okay, just started kind of move. So you want to see like what is a stock that is a potential, not yet move or something like that. Okay, you want to like take note of them. Okay, put in the list. Okay, so just now we have some stocks. Okay, so KTB. Okay, KTB is not really moving. Lamsun. Okay, Lamsun. This is like not yet move. Okay, so this is LST. LST. Okay, so you also want to click on this button. This button will give us the sector info. So you can see that this is a fruit process, and among the fruit process, you got like Thai Union, you got like Lamsun. Okay, so if you look at Thai Union, it's a bigger company. Okay, so this is also not yet move. Okay, this is also not yet move. So you can see that this is there's a like a setting up the base, and this is the start of the trend, and this stock, right, is not yet move. It's just like here, it's just like starting of the big trend. Okay, it's not yet move. Okay, so this TU, okay, TU, okay, is a very nice looking chart. Why? Number one is among the stocks, right, fruit processing sector, this stock is one of the biggest market cap at the 98 billion. The rest is smaller companies, okay, smaller market cap. And you can see that over the years, past 2 years, now is considered a very good time for this company. Okay, so overall, it is pretty nice. Okay, and again, if you kind of like have a this what we call technical analysis, right? You can see that if it breaks out of this, right, it's very nice, right? Breaks out of the resistance. Okay, so Okay, so yes, okay, so you can see this. Okay, so this is the breakout of the resistance. So TU, okay, TU. Okay, so if we go through as many as fast as possible, you can see that previously I draw this and then it breaks out. But some of the banks, they kind of like, it's not that strong. Okay, some of the banks is turning weak. But okay, another stock that is moving, okay, Bangkok Life Assurance, BLA. So over here, okay, over here, you want to put in BLA. Okay, so this is on the move. Okay, this is on the move. Okay, and then let me see. Okay, there is like Indorama, there's like Lalin. Okay, so all these they are not so popular. Okay, Origin Property. So this just move only. So this is a number one of the best real estate development stock, one of the best performing. So you want to have this stock in your list. Okay, so I will say that this one is moving because it's already moved up with the blue arrow, but it's a good stocks to watch. Good stock to watch. Okay, so ORI. So you want to put it in your list. Okay, and look at other stocks. You can see that they are all doing very well. So real estate, okay, real estate development companies is one of the sectors that you want to see. You look at this pink color. Pink color is what? Land and house, right? This is LH. LH. So LH and CPN. Okay, these are very nice looking cup and handle patterns. Okay, and this is a LH, which is a very nice uptrend. Okay, and the rest is all very positive, especially starting this week. Okay, so we talk about what is the strongest sector. What's the strongest sector? Okay, one of the strongest sector is real estate development and operation. Okay, so over here, let's have some conclusion. Okay, let's have some conclusion. So the conclusion here is this: strongest sector, real estate, telco. Okay, and what? Uh, okay, okay. Let me just write down. It's easier to write. Okay, stronger sector is also like food processing. Okay, food processing. So real estate, telco, food processing. Okay, it's actually right now, right, is a lot of companies that is doing well because like what I say, the market is having a bull market right now. Okay, and this stock previously we mentioned, right, CMO. Okay, I mentioned many times, I think. Okay, I talk about this. I talk about the top signal. Okay, top signal breakout, top signal breakout again, top signal breakout again, top signal breakout again. So CMO, okay, CMO, this stock is one of the strongest stock. Okay, one of the strongest stocks. You can see from the sector view. Okay, sector view is one of the strongest stocks. So this one is actually moving. Okay, so this is the CMO. Okay, CMO. Okay, so what sector? Business support. But this is the odd one out. It's not the whole sector is very strong because the rest you can see that it's not very strong. Okay, the rest is not as strong. Okay, but over here there's another. Okay, there's another company that is very strong. So this is a FORT. So you look at this is the first blue arrow. Red color change to blue color. Red color change to blue color. Now is red color also change to blue color. So I will put this in. Okay, I'll put this in the list. I will say this one just started to move. Okay, so it's somewhere in between the two. Okay, in between the two. I will put black color. This is what? FORTH. Okay, so this is what? Business support. Okay, support service. Okay, business support service. Okay, so you got like CMO and FORT. This is a strong sector. Okay, strong sector. Okay, so of course this is also very nice, but it's already moved. Okay, so you can put this in the list. This is a new high. It's a very nice looking chart. Okay, work point is coming back. Okay, and there is many other stocks, right? So which is very good. Okay, the market is very kind. Market is very kind. The market is very good to make money. Okay, so if you follow our our talk, right? Okay, you will notice that there is a lot of opportunity. So this gun cow is still healthy, is still doing well, still strong. Okay, just that it's very slow. Okay, it's very slow. So now I won't look at this stock because you have give the stock the chance to move, but it never move. So let's put it one side first. Okay, so usually I don't go down so much into other stocks. I will use the other one, it called power, okay, and look at what the best stock in the market, how are they doing. So Jaspin, right, okay, is one of the best stock. Okay, and right now it is in a very you can say that it's a dangerous situation. Okay, dangerous situation. So why? Because it's already far away from the previous turning point. It is 64% away from the previous turning point. So at this moment, you want to learn how to take some profit, protect your profit, and be a little bit careful. Okay, but of course, over the past few months, if you just hold on and just don't think about it, it's better, right? That better than taking profit. So just okay, just aware that pullback, any pullback is a healthy pullback and is normal, and any pullback can lead to the end of the trend as well. Okay, so this is JTS is still good. Okay, CMO very nice. This is not fantastic. This is not fantastic. So the best stock is the two, right? JTS and CMO, and this is a JSP. It is also a strongest uptrend stocks over the past 2 months. Okay, so the whole idea is to learn about the stock in this list and make sure that you are ready, you are kind of like prepared if there is any big move coming. So this K, okay, Kingsman, right? Kingsman is not yet moved. Okay, so K is not yet moved, so I put blue color. K, okay, this stock K is still very strong. Okay, not yet moved. There's a lot of potential. This is too fast. This is too fast. This is too fast. This one there's potential, but like what I say is, what I'm worried is this thing might happen. Is either it goes like sideways, 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 sideways. I'm kind of like expecting the stock to go sideways. So this stock is not a very nice looking now, okay, because it went sideways. Okay, it went sideways for too long. It's not good. Okay, so we continue to kind of like go through the list to find the best stocks that have a good entry point, or the best stock that have like the biggest movement. Okay, so this is a good one. Okay, SA, and this is not yet moved. This is not yet moved. And again, this is a new stock, so there is a lot of potential for these stocks. Okay, I'm not sure what sector it is. If you know, just help me to type in the comment below. Let me know what this stock do. Okay, seems like it's a asset management company or something like that. It's Siamese Asset Public. Okay, so this one, okay, this one, I want you to pay close attention. Okay, play close attention because uh, you are at this stage. Okay, there's a correction, there's up, and then they have a first pullback. And if this pullback is successful, you will see this move. So now we are repeating the same thing: up, first pullback, and then waiting for an explosive move. So here's the same thing: a correction, a pullback, and then explosive move. So there is a very huge chance, okay, a very good chance that this stock might explode upwards. Okay, so here, okay, SA right down here, SA. Okay, so you can see that there is a lot of stock that not yet moved. There's many stock that's also moving. So like all these JTS, they are moving. Okay, they are moving. So there are stock that's not yet moved, there are stock that's moving. The market is pretty balanced. Okay, the market is pretty balanced, which is a good thing. Okay, it's a good thing. Okay, so when I go through the rest, okay, SVI again. Let me just put it in here. SVI is here. SVI. Okay, you just want to put it in here. Okay, so yep. Okay, so yeah, I'm in a by the way, yeah, I'm in a hotel lobby, so it's this a business center. Yeah, so it's a bit there's a bit of people talking there. All right, so today, of course, the mic that I'm using is not that fantastic, so hope everything still sound okay. Okay, so again, you got this like TC is a moving stocks, food processing as well. Okay, so this is TC. Okay, so you got food processing, you got business support, you got real estate developers. Okay, these are the strong stocks. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, let's see what do we have. Okay, what do we have? What's happening in the market? What's happening in the market? Okay, there's like life insurance, which is getting slowed down right now. This is not yet moved. Okay, this Bangkok sheet metal not yet moved. You want to put in the list as well. Okay, there is a chance of it moving because you can see that this is an upward move. This is a pullback. Okay, but it's not my favorite. Okay, it's not my favorite stocks. Okay, because it takes too long to set up. Okay, it's not my favorite. But metal is a strong sector in the whole world. Okay, metal companies is a strong sector. True is moving. It's not a fantastic time to get in anyway. Okay, so there's nothing much you can do here. Okay, Total, DTech is moving. So the telco, there's nothing much you can do. If you haven't get in, there's like not much of a. It's the not a low risk, high reward kind of setup right now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so pretty much right, I've seen like most of the stock that is on the uptrend and things are good. Okay, things are still healthy. Okay, things are still healthy. So stocks like this, new stocks, right? HL, all these they are still got potential. Still can put in a watch list, but I just don't write down in my list. Okay, because it's not that fantastic. It's not like really nice. Okay, it's not like really nice. Okay, okay. So stocks like this, okay, you can see that they are in a strong sector like Gulf. Okay, like Gulf. So they move in tandem. So if this stock and Gulf move together, you have a very you want to see them move together. Okay, so but now it's not still red color, so I just leave it to you. Okay, so overall, this is a nice looking chart. Nice looking chart. So there's a consolidation, there's a breakout, there's a pullback, and then they come back uptrend again. So there is a also a good opportunities, but so not the best. Okay, I was saying it's not the best. Okay, so advanced is still one of the best. Okay, advanced is still one of the best. Okay, so previously, right, we talked about like advanced. Okay, so advanced, DTech, okay, JTS, all the telco related stocks that are kind of like doing well. Okay, they're doing well. Okay, so TCAP will be one that you want to watch as well. It's a bank sectors. Among the banks, I think TCAP got the smoothest uptrend. Okay, so we like smooth stocks, smooth uptrend. The rest, there's opportunities here and there everywhere, but just that I think market is getting a bit tired. Okay, a bit tired. So in the next 1 to 2 months, it's going to be tough. Okay, it's going to be tougher. So what you want to do here is you want to reduce your overall position. Don't go 100% right now. Okay, try to reduce. Try to take some money, buy some watches for yourself. Okay, buy some gifts for yourself. Okay, so now overall because why? Because these are the best stocks. Okay, I told you, right? JTS. Okay, JTS. These are the best stocks. Okay, if you haven't catch them, okay, you haven't catch JTS, you haven't catch advanced, you haven't get into some of these best stocks, right? Okay, you haven't make money from some of these best stocks, right? You are late already. Okay, because money has been made. Money has been made. A lot of people, they have made money already. So if you haven't made money yet, you are late in the game. So you got to be really really careful. Okay, so best stocks, what I tell you, okay, they are already moved. So if you haven't made money, you got to be careful. Okay, DTech, all these, they already move. Okay, advance. Okay, let me just type it. Okay, so advance, all this, they already move. And CMO, all these, they started moving, already moved quite a while. So now is the time to be standby to sell into strength, but still there is like this business service support, right? CMO is here, is this sectors. Ford is here. Okay, Ford Corporation is here. And this like there's a few stocks that is very strong here. Okay, so overall, same thing. Stick to the strong sectors, stick to the strong uptrend, hold on to the best uptrend stocks. Okay, and I think, yeah, the market is very kind. You should be making money. Yeah, everybody should be making money. All right, so remember to like this video before you go. Remember to share it with your friend. It will definitely help if you can help me to share with more people. So if there's more people that is into these Thai stocks, okay, then I will continue to do more frequent sharing. Okay, so remember, leave a comment, like, and tag your friend, share with your friend, so that it can help us to grow this channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this. I see you in the next video.